A consistent experience I see after working with several clients who have gone through StoryBrand is that it's an underwhelming experience for them because of the person who took them through StoryBrand. So after a few questions, after a little bit of digging, it usually comes down to the person who tried leading this coach or this consultant through StoryBrand. It's another marketing expert, it's a StoryBrand coach, it's a website designer, it's somebody along those lines. They love how easy StoryBrand is to use. But if you want a great experience with StoryBrand, you need to treat it as a framework, not a fill-in-the-blank worksheet. I can't speak for Donald Miller or his team, but I can say that they do provide some amazing worksheet-style kind of formulas to help you get the first messy draft of your message, and that's a potential trap. StoryBrand is meant to be the starting line, not the finish line. Again, I can't speak for Donald or his team, but it seems like any worksheet that they provide are meant to be only prompts, not these finishing lines. You can get amazing ideas in a first draft, but that's where the real work needs to continue.